All right, now that we got a nice sear on our steak, I'm just coming in with some asparagus into our butter. I'm gonna be adding some salt to everything in our pan right here. And pepper, just freshly ground black pepper, starting with the basics. Coming in with some minced garlic here. I'm gonna be dropping some of this into that butter, create a garlic butter, delicious. A little bit of onion powder all over the whole thing. I've got some sprigs of fresh rosemary here. It's gonna make such a great flavor. And I've got some sprigs here of thyme. I'm just kind of pulling some of our little leaves off. You can use whatever herbs you like, but I happen to like rosemary and thyme the best. A few more little thyme sprouts I'm just gonna throw in there for added flavor. All right, I've got a little bit of foil here and one of my large potatoes. And I am just gonna wrap this baby up. That looks good. We are just gonna set this right down here in our coals. Now I do have a fireproof, heat-proof glove on. So if you've got one of these heat-proof gloves, you can do this. If not, I would recommend using some tongs. All right, we're just gonna let our steak here cook for 5 minutes. All right, y'all. We let our steak cook here 10 minutes per side. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Grabbing our asparagus out there. And of course, like I said, I've got this heat glove on, so I'm able to just grab these potatoes right out. Perfect. All right, y'all, we're taking this inside. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we let this rest for about 10 minutes. I am so excited to cut into this. Oh my God, it's gonna be beautiful. It smells so good. Ooh, it looks perfect in my book. Let me show y'all. Look at that, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, get this down here. Get myself a nice piece of this steak. The tomahawk, y'all, whenever the tomahawks are on sale, you gotta jump on it. It's totally worth it. This was such a fun outdoor way to have a fun, entertaining meal. Grab a little bit of these off of here. Those are for me. And get some of this asparagus, perfeccione. And of course, I've got my baked potato here. Get this baby unwrapped. Perfect. And if I just cut into this guy, oh yeah, it's like butter, like butter.
Smush it from there. Okay.
Oh, smush it from that. Well,
No,
it's too late.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys, don't judge me now, but I had this herb butter and they were in like pats and they just melted being so close to the cutting board here. Perfect. You guys, Marty is judging me because I thought they were still in the shape in the bag there. We got them from the butcher. And I didn't know it was like melted but barely holding its shape, okay? I thought it was still in pat form. Unfortunately, it was not, okay? It was already on my fingers. Then he's like, why didn't you get a spoon? I'm like, I was already on my fingers. No, look at some of this. Look at like how it's still, some of them like look like they would have been just holding up. So, all right, never mind. Cannot wait to taste this. Oh my God. That's so good. Wow. I hate you, Marty. Try some of this. Try some of this, Jada. Oh yeah. Y'all, this is probably the best meal we've ever made. You gotta try it.